All right, so now that we're settled in, we are going to venture some markets. We're going to go to the Xuan Market, which we tried the other day, but we went too late. So we're going to go to the day one, and then we're going to go to a night market. So come with us.
Okay, we have arrived to the Dong Xuan Market, day market. We have about an hour and a half before the night market begins and the day market ends. So let's go in and have a look here.
Nước salad.
Some of them are closing now.
Yeah. Continue to go. Just continue. So look at what I got for 225,000 dong. North Face, but most likely fake, but nonetheless does the job because my old one was broken anyways. I'm happy.
Thank you, bro.
Do we go that way or do we? We came up this way, right?
Có lên đến đâu không? Đầu luôn, từ đầu đi. Kia được. Béo đi. Mẹ ở đây.
Thế đấy em đăng lên Facebook là làm tí cho vợ chồng phấn khởi mà nó cũng cho vợ bình luận. Ok, madam mama.
Lì a destra, non so. Forse
Ở đây.
Bếp ra là chưa có. Bếp điều có như là răm nhiều chưa có. Nhà này qua
So we finished the Dong Xuan Market and we're going to check out a bit of the street leading up to it. So there's a lot of stores that are very interesting. Now it seems like the vendors are setting up for the Don Xuan night market. At least they have a nice evening tonight. It's not set to rain or anything like that. So it looks to be a nice evening.
That woman again sitting on the ground.
Yeah. Okay, we made it. We are headed over to Mixu now. Okay, they are all set up now. Spans the street, probably like a block or two, but definitely lots of bargains that you can have.
Hello.
Wind chimes. Busy intersection coming up. The famous beer street, Party Avenue. If you're looking to party, this is the place to be. So we'll walk down there and back, and then all four corners. So we decided to eat
Again.
again, and we are going to have a grilled chicken and avocado banh mi at this place here. So they specialize in banh mi. Okay, so it came here. This looks very delicious. It is grilled chicken and avocado. How does it taste?
Super fresh and very flavorful.
And the bread is soft?
You guys should do
So we are going to try the roti, which is a very, very popular place. It's like a bun with like stuff with different assorted different things. You can tell from the lineup, it's pretty popular.
And then when it gets like a bit like...
So we are going to line up and try it out. So we are going to try out the matcha and chocolate, and the matcha and vanilla. Both are 25,000 dongs, so combined two of them 50,000 dongs, which is approximately $2.60 Canadian.
Number 6 you can wait 15 minutes. Number 3 5 minutes more.
Okay. We'll wait for
Matcha vanilla 15 minutes.
What are we having?
ice cream.
Matcha ice cream. At what seems to be a central place to hang out during the evening time here in Hanoi. We are here at Turtle Lake with the Turtle Bridge there, all lit up.
There's a lot of
14th century.
and I feel like sometimes
Okay, so we're walking around Turtle Lake, and what did we come across? Our two favorite places, Bingsu and Mixu. Cousins or sisters, who knows? But two tea and ice cream places, franchise, serves amazing, good for cheap, that's for sure. Big drum.